Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and this is the Walgreens preview for the week of the 21st to the 27th of 2021 over at Walgreens. So we're going to look at the overview, best deals, or it's going to be a really good week over at Walgreens. Some freebies and cheapies and magic. First thing we're going to talk about in your digital coupons folder, if you might have received it, this showed up on Wednesday. I got a $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. I know that a lot of people get like a 10 back when you spend 55. It pairs with this one, and you got to pay cash for the balance. So just to answer that quick question, it is both spend offers, so you have to pay cash for the balance. So again, guys, these are valid starting on the 21st, so please pay attention to that date. So Sunday off, moving forward. So it says sneak peek for a reason. Yes, you can stack both of them. For the balance after coupons, you have to pay cash, credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have. Don't use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. You can use register rewards too, but again, no Walgreens cash. Do not use your Walgreens cash. And these are also of a one-time use. So Valentine's Day on Thursday the 18th hit 90% off. It excluded candy. So candy was 70 and the rest of the Valentine's merchandise was 90%. Around here, it was like some chintziness going on, like very small amounts of Valentine's Day stuff. I guess people were feeling very romantic on Valentine's Day and bought everything. If you look at the date that it's supposed to be running, the 18th only, so I'm not sure if they're going to pack this up. So if you wanted Valentine's Day stuff, maybe go sooner than later because I think it's going to be gone very quickly. Easter will be celebrated the first week of April, so I think they want the Easter stuff on the floor right away. So anyhow, I think this stuff will be packed up by Sunday. Okay, so the first deal that we have is a total freebie. It is with the Axe body wash. 2 for $8, $2 register reward when you buy 2. Last weekend's digital coupon, you can load this one right now if you wish. It's a $5.99 off of 2. Please make sure you have this one loaded. There's also a $1 off, but you want this one, which is the $5.99 off of 2. Looking at the math, grabbing 2 body washes for 8 on the nose, subtracting that $5.99 off of 2, you're left with paying $2.01 out of pocket, getting back a $2 register reward. Hey, that's basically free. If you want to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just buying the body wash, go for it. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Yes, you will get back extra points for this purchase. Okay, next deal that we have is with the Tresemme, 2 for $8. That's for the cheaper one, and then they have a more expensive line, and it'll be 2 for $10. So, yeah, we're going to grab 2 of these more expensive Tresemmes. There is this digital that showed up last week, which is a 5 off of 2. You can load that one right now if you wish. Over on your Shopkick account, this is the one. It's called Keratin Repair, so grab both a shampoo and conditioner, and that is 1,150 points back. Okay, so grabbing 2 of the fancier Tresemmes for $10 on the nose, subtracting that 5 off of 2 digital, you'll pay 5 out of pocket. Shopkick will give you back 1,150 points, which is the equivalency of $460. Rule of thumb with Shopkick is 250 points is $1. That's how I'm getting the math to balance. So 40 cents for the 2 or 20 cents per shampoo and conditioner for that specific one. It's a really good deal. Also, with that Shopkick rebate, not every account got it. I think the people that are heavier Shopkick users will probably have this exact rebate. We're looking at a quick deal on some Crest, $2.99, 3 off of 2 digital, $2.50 register reward when you buy 2. The IBOTTA rebates for the mouthwash and the brushes I think have expired, but check again if it shows up. This showed up last week. Hopefully another one shows up again, but you never know with these Crest digital coupons. Looking at the math for this one, let's go with mouthwash. 2 mouthwashes for $5.98. They're $2.99 a pop. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back a $2.50 register reward, 48 cents for the 2, and I would check your Ibotta account if a rebate might show up. Next deal that we have is with the Javalia coffee for $4.99. Now this coffee is typically $7.99. Even if you go to like Meijer, it's still expensive. The one in the yellow bag in the back, I think it's made out of gold and magic. If you go to Ibotta, there's a $1.25 rebate. You can do up to 5 times. Hi, that's a really good rebate for coffee. And this is strong coffee too. So grabbing one of them for $4.99, you'll pay that out of pocket. Make a $1.25 submission to IBOTTA. It's $3.74. Again, the regular price for this is $7.99. If you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just buying the coffee alone, absolutely go for it. Now, this deal is kind of, it has the potential to be great, but it's not great right now. The Gillette Comfort Dry Tech, $5.99. $4 register reward when you buy two. IBOTTA has $1.50 back for this specific deodorant. So grabbing two at $11.98, you'll get back a $4 register reward, $3 back from IBOTTA. So that's only $7 back, so it's still $4.98 for the two. Will there be a digital coupon or a manufacturer that we could pair with this on Sunday? That's the only saving grace that I would say, run on this deal. Because right now it's like, $4.98 for two, that's a little bit. And since we're not rich, I might take a pass on it. Unless I'm putting it in a $20 basket, then I might reconsider. But yeah, that's a little bit out of pocket. And if you want to just do this deal on its own, if you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so 99 cents for the Snickers peanut brownie. This is a newer product. As you could say, they even put new right there. I'm not lying today. Go into your digital coupons folder. There's a 50-cent off of two. So grabbing two of these candy bars, it's $1.98. 50-cent off of two. You're paying $1.48 for the two, or 74 cents per candy bar. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. It's not the worst deal. And if you need a filler for a basket of 20 or 55, hey, not bad. Now we have Clorox. There'll be a 50-cent off coupon for that. Now, if you go to your Fetch Rewards account, there's 750 points back when you buy 77 ounces of the Clorox bleach. So I just looked up a quick search here, $4.99 for one of these bleaches, subtracting that 50-cent digital, pay $4.49, get back 750 points from the Fetch app, so basically 75 cents. It would make it $3.74 for one of these bleaches. You need to have a balance for your receipt, so I'm going to say not to use all your Walgreens cash for this one, or it'll get rejected by that app. But we really haven't had solid deals on bleach, so this might be one if you really are in search of this and you want it for your household to, make sure everything is clean. Okay, next deal that we have is with the Revlon Almay. If the Kiss Balm is included by Revlon, this will be a really good deal. Or, okay. So grabbing two of them, $4.99 for the first, 50% off of the second. That's $7.48. You'll get back a register reward for $5, making it $2.48 for the two, or $1.24 per lip product. Again, if you want to bulk up a basket for, the spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. The IBOTTA rebate for this one has since vanished, at least out of my account, but still not a bad deal if you wanted to put it in a larger basket. Okay, guys, I can't help myself. So hopefully maybe there might be digital coupons, manufacturers for these. Maybe not, but you can always hope. So these guys are $5 a pop. There's a $1.25 IVC. So grabbing, say, two Kleenexes, subtracting that $1.25 IVC, you can load it digitally or get the cashier to scan it from the Walgreens coupon booklet, Big Book of Savings. Subtracting $2.50, I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash, pay $2.50 for the two, and let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get extra points for this purchase. I really think this is the laundry deal of the week. The Tide liquid or pods will be $4.99. We have $2 digitals that we loaded a couple weeks back. It would drop it down to $2.99. If you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. But Tide for this price point is really unheard of. It's usually $7.99 on a regular week. One booby trap in this ad I will point out is this, the Arm & Hammer. Buy one, get two for free. The first one is going to be, I think, either $6 or $7.99. So, is that stuff made out of gold? Some sales weeks we get it for $1.99 or 99 cents after coupons. So that is way too much. So just be mindful that this is a little booby trap that they sometimes put in. It's probably going to be $6 or $7.99 depending where you're living. Let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first one, if you could find this bag of pull-ups on clearance for $3.29, we have a $2 digital. You'll pay $1.29. Ibotta has a $1 rebate. Shopkick is giving back 500 points, which is $2. It makes it free plus a $1.71 money maker. And with clearance, it's always your mileage may vary. What's happening here in Michigan might not be the same in like Texas, for example. So just be mindful of that, but keep looking for these diapers. You can lose nothing by looking. We have this Dial hand soap, 50% off for $1.49. These little spray hand sanitizers for 39 cents. Lots of this stuff is hitting 90% at lots of stores. If you can find 2 clearance Dove products, there's a 2 off of 2 digital coupon plus a $2 back register reward when you buy 2. So there's a little something there if you can find really inexpensive Dove products. And the next honorable mention is this Colgate. When you spend 10, you get back 5. You have to pay cash for the Colgate deal. And then for the Crest scope and then those little picks, $3.99. And then that 3 off of 2, and then get back a $3 register reward when you buy 2. We'll have to see what digital coupons show up for that one. And then if you love soda, this is not a bad deal. Buy 2 for $6.49, get 1 for free. So that's not bad, especially for the Coca-Cola. The canned meat, you can get 5 for $5, 2 for $7, or 4 for $5. And then the Lindsay olives are on a buy 1, get 1 for free. Final deal that we have is the Aunt Jemima 2 for $4. That's a really good stock up price for those pancake mix. And then the Nutella is $2.99. I don't even like hazelnut spread, but whoever styled these pancakes, I kind of want pancakes with Nutella inside because it looks so delicious. As always, guys, thanks you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.